Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. It's been a while. It's like February 10th here. It's a Saturday, a little gloomy out, but it's about 50 degrees. I decided today that I will start my bikes, maybe take one of them out for a ride. I'll do a little vlog with that, but I just wanted to show my face, let everybody know I'm still here. Been a very cold, very gray, very depressing winter here so far. I haven't been able to find anything to buy to work on bike wise, so it's been a very quiet winter for me. I picked up another little hobby. Maybe I'll show you a little clip at the end of the video of something I've been doing to keep me busy. Still looking for a project, but have not found anything. So today I'm gonna just start the bikes up and go for a little ride. So I'll probably check in with you when I'm firing up the Harley, and we'll go for a little ride, do a little vlog, talk some more. So feels good to be making a video. I just hate winters here in Connecticut. All right. Out for a little ride just around my street here because it's a little cold out today, but both bikes fired right up, no problem. Definitely a little chilly, but nice to get out, take a little ride. So how's everybody been doing? Anybody been able to ride, or warm, cold where you are? Whew. You know, when you don't ride for so long, you forget how much, fun it is. But then as soon as you get on the bike, it all just comes back to you. I just worry because there's so much sand down around here and dirt in the roads. Just take it easy. Take a ride up this little road here. Yeah, so things have been crazy. My wife and I had a nice 10-day cruise plan in January, get away from the cold weather. Unfortunately, went on the cruise, I got sick. I had the flu, the norovirus, while on the cruise. Had to go to the infirmary, get some IV and stuff. And then when we got off the boat, we both got COVID. So it was a tough January, but so far February hasn't been that bad temperature wise. 40s, 50s. We've had a little snow here and there. I like this little road. It's by my house. Comes up to this cul-de-sac, and as you come around, you can just see way off in the distance. Get a great view up here. Yeah, so January was tough. February, like I said, it's the 10th today. Things are a little better in February. Hopefully it's going to start warming up, get towards spring, get some riding in. I was looking, I think Bike Week down in Florida this week starts like March 1st or something. I'd love to get down there one year. If nothing else, I don't have a big interest in crowds and all of that crap, but just to say you've seen it once. Boom, boom. Man, nice to get out on the bike. I love the views around here too. Just so beautiful. I'm glad I moved out of Fairfield. That place was getting so overpopulated, and they're building apartments everywhere, all over the place. I go out one side of my complex, I could go
to the busy side, New Haven, everything you need out there. You go the other 3 directions, you get all this beautiful open land. I just love it. I don't know, I think I'd be better off if I lived years ago when it was just all like this. Some nice horses. I want to ride a horse. This is a steel horse, but I mean, I want to try riding a real horse. This barn over here by me, they have lessons. Keep telling my wife I'm going to come over here, I'm going to learn to ride a horse. I like animals. Unfortunately, I like eating cows too. Back behind us we passed, there's a guy's got like a sheep farm or whatever. And I guess if you eat a adult sheep, I think it's called mutton. Woo! God. Come on, spring. Yeah, so here's the place. They do lessons. Come there and get some lessons. Loving it. Da, 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 da. Gotta take it easy. It's been a while since I've been out on the bike. Get rusty. Rusty. Yeah, I miss doing the channel. Looking for, I really want an older Enduro. Yeah, I want to find something not running. I want to strip it down to the frame. I know a couple guys now that do painting, so I get everything painted nice. But I just got to find it. I want to strip it all down and rebuild the whole thing. That is my ideal project. It's just so tough to find anything nowadays. There's so many guys that are like these big companies that come in with these big trailers and find all of this stuff and just scoop it all up. Then they take it, rebuild it, and they sell it restored. I tried talking to a guy that does that, and you know, saying, hey, if you find a bike like this, you know, would you make a little profit for yourself and sell it to me not running? The guy didn't want nothing to do with it. I mean, it's just tough. And then there's so many people running scams on all of the places. I like this view here too, right off. I know the camera does nothing for the views, so I'm still looking. I gotta find something because I know people tune into my channel. They love install videos, they love the projects. All those videos get the best views. The vlogs, the few people that follow my channel all the time faithfully, they watch the vlogs, they'll comment, and I really appreciate that and love it. But I know the people love the installs and the fixing this and fixing that. Oh man, uh-oh. We got the police here. They're gonna come after me. This will be great. We have it on video. Let's see. Gonna come after motorcycling with Carl. I gotta start taking it easy because during COVID there was no cops pulling anybody over or doing anything. Now all of a sudden they're back out. Oh well. He didn't really seem to care, I don't think. probably like, this guy's getting his bike out for a little ride. Do I bust his balls or let him go? I love this town. I'm so happy with my move to North Haven. I like it up here. Woo! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed coming out for this little ride and listening to me babble for a little bit. Like I said, I got a little project I've been doing at home over the winter, something I've been fooling around with. So what I'll do when I get home, I'm going to take you to the basement, show you what I've been doing, and we'll sign off from there. So nice to talk to everybody. Sorry I've been gone so long. Hopefully it won't be that long between videos next time. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so here's what I've been putzing around with over the winter. I built a 4x8 table on wheels. I have this all planned out. Right now I'm in the track laying stage. I'm building a N-scale model railroad. There's a place here in North Haven that is an abandoned rail yard. It was one of the biggest on the East Coast, and I went walking and hiking through there, and it was very cool, all the old track and stuff. So it kind of inspired me to do something. I have a whole layout. It's all planned. There's going to be mountains, tunnels, hills. Right now, I just started building. I'm going to have a trestle bridge going up through here onto a little mountain area. There's going to be multiple, there's going to be a rail yard over here, multiple stuff. So this is what I've been doing to keep myself busy this winter. Let me know in the comments if you guys throughout my videos want to see any just quick updates and see what the progress is on my Model N scale railroad. I'll show you if there's any interest. If not, tell me. Keep it all motorcycles. But it was nice to get a video in. Nice to show you where I've been, what I've been doing. So until next time, this is Motorcycling with Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Woo!